Making money on crypto has never been easier. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money on Binance and what are the few ways how you can make actually money on Binance. I've been using Binance for about 5 years right now, and it evolved a lot. But what I really like most on Binance comparing to the other crypto brokers is that they got the lowest fees on the market, and even when you're going to use the BNB, it's even lower. So Binance is good, but I'm not promoting Binance that you should definitely use it. I'm not paid by Binance. So when you come here to Binance, what are the ways how you can make money? The first way is, in my opinion, is that you can earn money from referral. So this is what I do primarily. On Binance, you see that I got 350 people are registered under me. Yesterday it was 21 people. And you see that right now, when I come here, and you earned yesterday, when I'm going to write it to my Google, to USD, $109 I made. That's pretty good, right? So this is the first way how we can do it. It's just like having the affiliate. And then I can come here to commission history, and I see that right now today, people were trending under me. And how the affiliate works is that I'm going to share a link, and they pay less money on crypto, and I got like 36% of their commission they pay to the Binance. So it works something like that. So it's like pretty good and pretty amazing in my opinion. So this is the first way how you can make actually money, and doing with the referrals is really great. Sharing, I don't know, with family who wants to invest, or just writing blogs or creating videos. So what you can do is to create videos, I don't know, Binance review, and then just open those videos, and those like good. Then you have Binance review here, and you can check them out and do these videos. But right now, I'm like, these are, some of these are paid views, but whatever. So this is the first way how we can make money on Binance, which is pretty great. Then the second way how we can make money is Binance Earn. Binance Earn works like you can have flexible terms, fixed terms, or high risk products, and you can easily look. I do it with the USDT that I have duration of like 30 days, and you see the percentage deposit. Then you can also stake money. There's like pretty 15%, 15 days, 34%, which is really great. And activities, limited supply, higher demand. And then you're gonna see also Ethereum 2 staking. So that's pretty great too. And you can have like flexible terms or fixed terms. You see that BUSD or USDT, you have 6%. And let's say that when I go to my overview account, I'm going to show you my earnings. I withdraw money from Binance because I like stocks more. But you see right now that I have like on BNB $472. And what I can do is to, or like going with USDT for 551, I can transfer it, right? And I can easily just, you see the 7-day, the calculation rate, which is pretty great. I can maximum just add it there, and then I would have this kind of 6%. But I'm not going to do it only because like I like to invest into the stocks. But I'm thinking more and more that the higher it goes on Binance, I would just do it, just start earning money from it. Only because like taxes are really high in my country, so I'm still trying to find a way how can I work with it. But this is another way. Just check out the Binance Earn and check the way how you can earn interest on your crypto. Now, another way how we can make money on Binance is through trading. But I personally don't really recommend trading and day trading, only because you can get burn, a hardcore burn. And if you don't have experience from stock markets, I don't know, it's really risky. So just keep in mind that like trading money on Binance, on trading crypto, it's okay, but still, what I would do is this. If you don't want to be a content creator and write blogs and create videos, let's say, you can do just, I don't know, earn money elsewhere and then just invest it through the Binance. Invest it through the Binance to earnings or just the normal crypto, but don't go to altcoins all the way. What you want to do is this. Let's say that you would have 100% of money every single month. What you want to do is this. Let's say I have 2K every month to invest. In my opinion, the best strategy for long term, what you should do is to go 70% stocks if you want to go high risk, but high risk which is going to be like not that high, stocks and ETFs. I would go 70% ETFs, then I would just invest long term. That's what I do. So I can share only my strategy to you. And then 30% crypto. It really depends how much risk you want to be involved with. But what I do is that I invest into ARK ETFs, then individual stocks that I like in the future. That's what I do, like Tesla, Apple. And 30% is going to be a crypto that you can invest to. But my recommendation is with crypto, don't just invest into altcoins because someone is sharing you the strategy on Reddit that you should do it. Just do the research by yourself and you will see it differently, right? And then go long term into that coin. But my recommendation is that I would stay away from right now from crypto world. I wouldn't invest money into Binance, not Binance, but to the, how would I call it? To just crypto coins like, I don't know, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I just wouldn't, it's too high. Like when you come here and see how it's called, Ethereum price, and look at this. I come here, I go to all. Like you would be a madman to invest it at this point. I know when you're watching this video, but I hope you're watching it when it's down. Invest in that moment when it's like really down. Don't invest right now when it's like $2,400. Like I just bought it right here. I remember at 800 price, it went like this. I completely ignored it. I didn't sell. I just hold it. And right now I sell it like 1,300, 1,400. So I made profit. But right now, if I would wait for another 2 months, I would be like doubled my profit on the Ethereum one I had. So, but you see, you can predict it. It's really hard to predict it. So that's something really, really hard. So to summarize this whole video, the first way how we can make money, how I make money on, is through my referrals that are like getting every day. Like right now, let me show you. This month I got sign up about, I'm going to refresh it. I think it's bugged right now. Oh, 200 people sign up under me. So that's pretty great. And traded friends, 75. And it's going to increase even more. Like 2 years from now, when someone is going to watch this video, it's going to be like a 2,000, 3,000 even. I really believe 4,000, maybe, if crypto is active, right? And the way I'm going to earn even more money. So that's the first way. The second way how we can do it is through Binance Earn. That's good too. That if you want to just like invest and BNB Vault, and you can just easily stake it. So that's how we can do it too. And yeah, the third way is trading, but I recommend really day trading, maybe just invest and long-term hold. But I wouldn't do it at this time when it's like all peak high with a Bitcoin and with a Ethereum. I just wait for a while. So thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope this video was at least kind of helpful. If it was, you can leave it, subscribe, you can like this video, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.